Hello, I am out going for my walk along the water. It's been a few days. It's been a little bit on the colder and rainy, wet side, so I have been hunkering down and getting things done in my home and kind of avoiding my camera a little. But the sun is out. It is Friday. I am ready to get exploring. Tomorrow we are going on an adventure and I'm going to bring you along, and hopefully I'm going to start talking a bit more in my videos. But yeah, here I am, about to take the 300 stairs down to the ocean. Whew. And I'm just going to zipper up because that wind is brisk. Also, one of my friends told me about a Canadian author that I have just started listening to her audiobooks, and I am obsessed. Her name's Carly Fortune, and I don't know if you know this about me, but I lived in Toronto for many years, and probably close to 12 or more. And so I am a city girl, and I know about going up to the cottages in Muskoka, and so she writes about this in her books, and she also is releasing a book about Tofino, which I am super excited about. So I've been listening to her audiobooks and loving them, and yeah, this is taking up a lot of my time when I'm not working. So that tree, love that tree. It is so old. It's hard to capture, but it is massive. This is another part of it. But yeah, one of my favorite trees on this walk. And the holly is out in full. You can't see it there. It's camouflaging. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go take in some fresh air finally after a few days of hunkering down at home, and hopefully I see a seal. That'd be fun. I'm not sure if you can hear me over the waves, but I just did a video of all these boats. Now, I have not seen this, but there is a herring spawn that happens every year, and I guess the waters turn a bright turquoise color, and I am getting a feeling that all these boats here, you're gonna see a whole bunch of boats. You can't see the boats. Anyways, all these boats are setting up protection for them so they can be protected, is my assumption, but I could be wrong. It is my first time here. But yeah, these are all new, and it looks like they have a whole bunch of nets along. So my intuition is saying that it is something they are setting up so that they are protected and they can spawn and procreate, and yeah, very interesting. The cherry blossoms are out and in full bloom. Okay, so that was amazing. I am so glad I went today. The herring spawn is in full blast right now in that area, which is like magical, and my friend has been talking about this for a long time, and I'm so glad I got to witness it. And it was very busy today, the beach, because it is so vibrant right now, right in that area. But some of the things I saw, so the crows were chirping, the eagles, there were so many eagles, and then I couldn't figure out what it was. I could hear like barking or screeching, and I wasn't sure if it was like whales or what it was, dolphins, but it was sea lions. There's a whole bunch of sea lions. My camera wasn't good enough to zoom all the way in, but that was pretty magical to see that. And we saw the herring spawn and the turquoise waters, and it was, wow, it was an amazing experience. And then to end it off with all the cherry blossoms, and right now I'm looking at a whole bunch of cherry blossoms. Like, I couldn't be happier. Couldn't be happier. Now I am off to go to the store. I'm going to be picking up some cod because I randomly was fed this Thai cod curry recipe that I am going to be making tonight, which I'm super excited about. So I'm off to get some curry and some cod, and yeah, have a delicious feast.